Before we get started, let's talk about how to set up a macro and the various parameters available to you. To open up the macro editor, click it in the toolbar here. Let's make a new one. Give it a name. On the left side here, we have general settings. Starting, stopping, file parameters. Waiting allows you to add delays, intervals. You can choose what stimulator you want and how you want to fire it. Digital outputs you can turn on, you can turn off. You can add text, format it. You can add colors. You can add, under images and media, sounds, pictures, videos. Spreadsheet allows you to set up external data, any format you want. Looping allows you to begin and end a loop. Parameters can be set up, and those parameters can then be used for decision making under this section here. Messages can be done in both text and HTML. You can start an external application, and you can simulate keyboard input. Now, there is a process that we'll go through. First of all, step number one, plan out what you want to accomplish. So what is this thing going to do? Plan it out. And then how would you go about that manually? You know, step this, step that, A, B, C, put it all down. And then take those steps and put them in a sequence. Now make any corrections, make sure it flows from top to bottom. And with all that done, now we're ready to actually create the macro. So once the macro is created, you want to test it, make sure it's working, doing what you want, and if not, then you want to make any adjustments to it. And when you're happy with the whole thing and all is good, then save it. And then ultimately you want to use it. And we'll be going through this entire procedure during macro number 1.